Hi guys, welcome to another exciting video. If this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, share it to other people, turn on the notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll be the first person to know. So we are back again on Politecnico di Milano. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you about the scholarship and how to make an application because the merit-based scholarship application for it is opened for 2026-2027 academic section. So my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. I love you guys. I see you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So if you have not watched my previous videos on this university, please do well to watch them. That's how you'll be able to understand this scholarship video I'm going to be making now. So no more wasting of time. Let's go right in. So you always come here, there's IT, Italian, English, always put it in English for easy navigation, except you're an international student that understand Italian. Se così va bene. So we come here to people. You come to people, you click course and scholarship. Just go down, 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 down. So you come to Diritto alla Studio and other scholarships. So you come down, come down, come down. So this merit-based scholarship is actually the one that is open. So it says, thanks to the cooperation with public and private partners, every year Politecnico di Milan offers a number of merit-based scholarships to the most talented international candidates admitted to a Masters of Science program to the first or second semester. Students obtaining a scholarship will have to pay only a non-refundable administrative fee of about 170 euros. All scholarships include a tuition fee waiver. Some of them will provide also an additional gross allowance up to 10,000 euro for the academic year 2026-2027. The scholarship candidates will have to fill out an additional application form, no fee required. Only students who have submitted their admission during the early bird to the first year of the Masters of Science program taught in English, paying the application fee between October 1st and December 1st, 2025, are eligible to participate in this call. So please take note of this very well. So if you're not going to be applying between this application window, you cannot apply for this scholarship. So know that you must first apply to this university because many of you, once you see scholarship, you're asking, you want to apply. You first need to apply to the university first before you can apply for this scholarship. If you don't apply, there is no way you can apply for this scholarship. So we are going to take our time a little to read this call for application, where the information is and everything you need to know about the scholarship. So this is a PDF file, so you're just going to download it and then we'll read it out. So merit-based international scholarships awarding application call for the academic year 2026-2027. So we're not going to be reading everything word for word. I'm only going to be reading what's important on this application call. But do well to take your time to read it out. Now it says availability, amount, type, and target of the scholarship. The scholarship offered through this call for application are the following. So these are different types of merit-based scholarship that will be awarded for Masters of Science for Politecnico di Milano. So the first one is 10 platinum scholarships Milan. So 10 people will be given the platinum scholarships under the Milan, 18 gold scholarships under Milan, 16 gold Piacenza campus scholarships, 10 bronze Piacenza campus scholarships, 10 silver Cremona, Lecco, Mantova, Piacenza campuses scholarships. Because these all different programs under this university, they're going to be taking place in different campus. Okay. So it says all merit-based international scholarship include a tuition fee waiver for the entire academic year which they are assigned for. So the platinum and gold scholarships, the amount of the platinum scholarship is 10,000 euro gross. The amount of the gold scholarship is 8,000 euro gross. So the different types of scholarship have different amount, but remember all of them is going to be tuition fee waiver, but the monetary value is going to be different. All international students who apply to the first year of Master of Science programs taught in English on Milano Leonardo or on Milano Bovisa campuses for the academic year 2026-27 are eligible to apply for these scholarships. So if you know you fall under this Master of Science program at these universities, then you would apply for the and the platinum scholarship and the gold scholarship. Then the other one, the gold Piacenza scholarship, the amount of that one is 5,000 gross. So it says all international students who apply to the first year of Masters of Science program in sustainable architecture and landscape design or energy engineering, renewables and environmental sustainability rest taught in English on Piacenza campus for the academic year 2026-2027 are eligible to apply for these scholarships. So you must take note of where the course that you want to the course that you intend to apply for falls under the kind of scholarship. Then the amount for the Bronze Pension Campus Scholarship is 2,500 gross. And this is for students who apply for MSc program in mechanical engineering taught in English language on Piacenza campus for the academic year 2026-2027. Then the last one, which is the Silva Cremona Lecco Mantova Piacenza Campuses Scholarship. This one does not have any monetary value, it is only tuition fee waiver. And it's for those who are applying for Masters of Science program in English language at Cremona Lecco Mantova or Piacenza campus for 2026-2027. So it says how to apply. Only students who have submitted their admission application during the early bird to the first year of the master degree program taught in English, paying the application fee between October 1st to December 1st, 2025. They are the ones who are eligible to participate in this call. Okay, the application to this merit-based scholarship, international scholarship, must be submitted mandatory, so you must apply. Okay, you don't say, oh, because you've already applied for admission automatically. No, you must make a separate application for this particular scholarship. Okay, between October 15 to December 15. So the application is currently ongoing. So you're going to be doing it on their online service through this pathway, which I'll be showing you on this particular video. So they said no other method of the application will be accepted. Now, you can take your time to read the assignation, notification of the outcome. So notification of the outcome will be notified on the application. Students will receive a notification email informing them that they have a message to read. To always control your profile that you're going to be creating, that you have created for admission. Okay, so to accept it, in order to accept the scholarship, you're going to be paying 170 euros, which is the administration fee. If you don't pay this money between the deadline, your scholarship will not be considered accepted. Okay, then therefore they also said recipients have to enroll in the academic year which the scholarship is assigned for by the specific deadline. So for you to able to even for this scholarship to be awarded to you or be paid to you, even if you've won it, you must also successfully enroll at this university. Take note that enrollment happens when you finally move to Italy. Okay, so this is how the money will be paid to you. You can see that it's talking about Italian bank account, meaning you must have been in Italy for you to be able to get this scholarship. So the merit platinum scholarship, how they're going to pay it is in two forms. First will come 5,000, the second one will come in 5,000. Remember that one was 10,000 naira, 10,000 euros, sorry. While the merit one, they will first pay 4,000, they will not pay 4,000, the second one. So for one thing you should take note of the second payment, it said the second one, 5,000 gross upon verification of having taken at least 2 exams. So those of you that are planning to come and say, oh, you want scholarship, you want to leave school and collecting free money, it's only 5,000 that you might be able to get. The second one, you must have taken at least some exams, two at least, to really verify that you're in that school, you came for school before the other one will be paid for you, will be paid to you. Okay, so Then this is just how they're going to pay it. Okay, the other one to 2525 and all of that. Remember, the last one does not have any monetary value, only that your tuition fee will be exempted. So for this scholarship, it's possible to renew it the next academic section, but your credits must be good. So when you come to Italy and you win this scholarship, make sure you keep up your work, study hard so you can meet up with the points. Okay, so you can have it renewed the next year. So this kind of scholarship now, for example, the first one, which is 10,000, the one of 8,000, it's possible to cover up for your POF, yes. But you see the one of 5,025, that one cannot cover for your POF because it's not even up to the amount of POF per academic section. But if you win the one for 10,000, 8,000, you are good to go. So incompatibility, this scholarship, if you win it, you cannot win any other scholarship. Okay, it is only it or none. So withdraw from the study program. So the merit-based national scholarship have a minimum duration of 1 academic year. If the recipient withdraws from their study program before the end of the academic year, which they got their scholarship assigned, they will lose the right to the scholarship, and they will need to return the amount received upon the date of withdrawal. So take note of that. So you can read all these other informations here: suspension, verification of truthful statements, and whatsoever. So now let's go straight into making the application. Come here to this access online services. So you're going to put your um code person and your password, and you're going to click login. Okay. So when you log in, this is the dashboard. Let's change it to English language to come to the same place here. So you see benefits and agreements. You click it. You're going to click economic benefits. Benefits. You're going to scroll down. Scroll down. So you're going to come to this place. See this one here. This scholarship for international masters of science students academic year 2026-2027. You click it. So it says, let's read what it says: scholarship for international masters of science students 2026-2027 academic year 2026-2027. Opening date 15th of October 2025. Closing date 15th December. Application summary: if you're an international student who requested admission to a Master of Science course for the academic year, you can apply for the ascension of one of these scholarship. They vary based on what you'll be studying and in which campus you'll be attending your course. Okay, so it depends on what you'll be studying and which campus. So we already explained this in the previous video. The number, you can find it all details on the call. Yes, number of benefits is 64. Releases for personal data: by submitting the application in the manner indicated in this call for application, the student consents to the following. Okay, so you now come here, you're going to click application. Application status is, the application is in open status. To complete it, refer to the menu on the left. Remember to terminate the application on the summary page. Select course, scholarship and national students. Okay, refer to the menu on the left. This is our left. Okay, application filling. Let's check here. Okay, let's come to summary. Because it said there that refer to the menu, remember to terminate the application on the summary page. Okay. So here now, when you have clicked summary, you come here. By submitting the application in the manner indicated in this call for application, the student consent to the following blah, 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 blah. So if you click accept here, bam, you come here. I declare that I have read the full text of the application and that the missatisfaction, also partial requirement, to exclude me from. Okay, to close the application, you must accept the following conditions. So you click here as well. But here I declare that I have read the full statement and that the missed satisfaction also partially. Okay. So it says here by warning, by clicking, you will irreversibly close the application and you will not have the possibility to work on it anymore. So close and send the application form. So because I'm not applying for this scholarship, I'm not going to click this and I'm not going to click all this one. So once you click, because you must accept these conditions, you click here, pam, you click here, pam, you close and send application form, then you save the receipt, meaning you have successfully applied for the scholarship. So that is how you successfully make an application for the scholarship. Very, very easy. So this is it. Thank you for watching.